See any move I make, dog, I feel boss it.
Any move I make, I feel boss it. Me not ride out to post like 666. It's not a 666 thing around here. I'm take my glass, man. I can't think a joke thing. Me not ride out to bust it like I'm for post like 666. And that me know where I play. I bust it pan boy. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are here again. We're here again with another upcoming artist. So this artist is called Maximus Squidz. Maximus Squidz. The song name is Sizzla. My first advice to you, my fam, change your name. Change your name, Squidz. And anything we live in a sea is not Jamaican thing, brother. No, you know the thing again, cause once you start name Sizzla, then you must have a connection with Jamaica. So change your name, my fam, and revamp and forward with something else. But let's jump into the track because this is what the track is all about. Big up all of the young artists that's been reaching out. The support has been overwhelming, and I really appreciate you guys. Big up the new subs them, big up the original subs them. Let's go!
Cut off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari.
So that was a prayer. That was a prayer. The rest of them a chant. Cut off all the bad mind them, the iniquity them, the wobby worker them, the people them when I want to see nobody do good in their life. Good start to the song. Good start to the song. Let's get into it. Yo, for anybody who know who in the Jamaican culture and don't know the song, yeah? Exit, evacuate, leave. Come out. Sizzla, iconic. That song is iconic. Let's go. Yo, where's a bunks? Just keep bouncing. Just bunks. Yo, them can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when them want me to frown. See the style and they stood my ground. They could never ever take my crown. Who jobless, I said no man cursed. Bunks. Yo, big up all of the bunks of them when know me attack. What you see it? Bunks.
They want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown. They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and I stood my ground. They will never ever take my crown.
So, him not start yet, but you can tell say him look up to Sizzla. Sizzla as somebody where him idolize. Sizzla as somebody where, you know, he meds more time and cause this is a banger. Who don't know about Sizzla no ban yet? Who don't know about Sizzla Agniam them mama? Let's go.
Yeah. Max. Look. You should know I get busy with it, hitting with it. Spinning, watching fidget with it, doing like cricket. Licking like a wicked with it.
The man I tell you how him do it. Him get busy with it, lick it like cricket.
Oh, no, the killing them never that
No, wife for the lick. But you like 6, you see me? And that's the thing. Jamaica not do it on licking thing in the dog. Wife for that, you know. So we are wire out that. You see me? When I said change your name earlier on, take off the squid, leave the Maximus. That's fine. Take off the squid, leave the Maximus. No sea creature, my fam. You see me? And that Sizzla ya rep. Come on.
Couple yard man, my dogs get wicked with it. Rain on them, shower posse. I got shots for the brown like my name was Vossi.
We don't tell you no about the shower posse already. The shower posse is from Tivoli, guy. Them say real name like shower posse. Shower posse is known in America when them in the 80s and late 90s, early 90s. When them used to shower them up with bullets. That's what them call the shower posse. Shower. Tivoli garden man them. Shower, garden man them. Labor right man them. Shower. You see me? Yeah. Labour right, I said Labour right. For those who don't know, Labour right and PMP is the two national political party in Jamaica. One, you see me? So yeah, Labour right, shower pass it. The other man them, I don't know, don't them.
Man ride with the strap, Valentino Rossi. See any move I make, dog, I feel bossy.
Man ride with the strap, Valentino Rossi. Valentino Rossi. See Valentino Rossi, yeah? See Valentino Rossi, yeah? The big champion biker. You see me? Man, I ride with the strap. Valentino Rossi. Straight. Him say something after that. Let's go.
Valentino Rossi. See any move I make, dog, I feel bossy.
Any move I make, I have to boss it. Brother, me not ride out to post like 666. It's not a 666 thing around here. I'm taking my glass, man. I can't think a joke thing. Me not ride out to boss it like I'm for post like 666. And I don't know where I play. I boss it, pan boy. I just saw the thing go. Who not like it, just know so one time it clap, you go bingo. Me have rhymes, I don't think I don't know rhymes. Me have rhymes too. No, yourself, let's go.
Couple birds a month time. Money from the strip, my nigga, that's punch lines.
Money from the strip, my nigga, that's country line. So they obviously London a city, the country line them are the outer thought like Crawley, Bristol, Oxford, Bunbury, them place there, Rugby, them place there, you know, down south, them place there, yeah, country line. So yeah, I'm tight in back with London.
I was out on the front line. See the spot, my nigga, I earn mine. Moxie.
Always keep us mind when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and dice to the ground. They will never ever take my crown.
So basically, the Sizzla sample is incorporated in there to make him know, say, yo, listen, this a theme spot. Nobody can come take him spot. Them can't keep down no matter how much them fight. You will never succeed, why for the sucking seed, but you will never get through. You will never get through. You see me? So that is why Maximus, I use that part there. Me not gonna call him a squid in the brother. Me call him Maximus. Me call him Maximus. You see me? Popcorn sister alone name squid. Yeah, let's go.
They can't keep up with the man down. Always keep us mind when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and dice to the ground. They will never ever take my crown.
Job even now selling herbs so early this morning. I don't know who's ever going to come buy herb. Just let them know that we're not selling the herb.
Maximus.
That sample is from a movie. Which movie is that? Jabby, me not selling no herb this morning, you know. Whoever said they come buy herb, that man must be not selling no herb. Which movie is that? That no dancer queen. Is that Third World Cup? A Third World Cup that?
Where you want?
Look. You should know what.
Shatters, I think.
Where you want?
Look. You should know I move madder with it, badder with it. Rock out like ragga with it. I ain't 21, my nigga, I move savage with it.
Hold on, wait.
Badder with it. Rock out like ragga with it.
Broke out like Raga with it. Raga is the next name. Raga is the next name where a lot of people call dancehall. Like, what's the kind of music? Them say raga. No, dancehall. There's no raga. It's dancehall. But me know why him said that, because obviously in there England, so the England people them are gonna know about raga. Raga muffin. Raga is raga muffin. But you know, but yeah. Make it where you use it, Maximus. Make it where you use it. But dancehall is the name. You know that still, but them don't know that. So let's go.
I ain't 21, my nigga, I move savage with it. Can't touch me, my nigga, I'm MC Hammer with it.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. MC Hammer with it. Him say, he might give you different references. He might give you references of why you can't touch him or why you can't test. Don't try. You'll never graduate. Don't try study me. You'll never graduate. You all this.
Go home or go hard. I ain't giving up pictures like Mozart. Couple racks at this go yard. I'm short but I'm powerful, nigga, like go-karts.
I'm short like powerful like go-karts. Go-karts are powerful. Go-karts are short and powerful. Big up yourself, but J.
Kuya, when you see me with the fire, I'm a tryer. You a liar, nigga, check my attire.
Him just switch up in beat. Him just switch up in flow. So in this song right here, is showing you how versatile he is. His versatility is showing in this song. Relax.
Kuya, when you see me with the fire, I'm a tryer. You a liar, nigga, check my attire.
Look at me. Check me. Real. Me real like cotton reel. Yeah, check my attire. Me real, brother. Man, I tell you that. Check me out.
flow sharp like barbed wire. See the level they run, but I'm higher.
The flow sharp like barbed wire. Barbed wire, we cut out, especially the razor one them. Then we cut out your trousers, then we cut out under you. Barbed wire, we cut. I no joke. Me see barbed wire cut out on my cousin one time, me see. Barbed wire, we cut you up, man. Kill you. Barbed wire, make you bleed out, man.
They can't keep up with the man down. Always keep us smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and dice to the my ground. They will never ever take my crown. They can't keep up with the man down. Always keep us smile when they want me to frown. Keep the vibes and dice to the my ground. They will never ever take my crown.
Right now, fire out in the whole arrest. Just check me later when the fire blaze up.
Fire, right now, fire out, you know. Check me look later when the fire blaze. A shatters that? A shatters, man. Yo, correct me in the comment section which movie this sample is from. That.
Right now, fire out in the whole arrest. Just check me later when the fire blaze up. Alright, my lad.
A shatters, man. Shatters. Rasta levity. Squidz. So guys, hear me I say. Bad song. Bad song. Bad song. The song is also on Link Up TV. The song is also on Link Up TV. It's also on Link Up TV. That is where it's from. To 24,000 views. Nearly 25,000. Help get him up to 30,000, guys. Help get him up to 30,000. The song deserves to be played. A link to the song will be, link to the video will be in the description below. So check him out, guys. Bad song, and the fact that is referring to Sizzla, you can see say he must stay true to him Jamaican roots. I like that about it. Him flow, him switch up him flow a few times in the video, which is good. I like that. He must show him versatility. You see me? So big him up, guys. Big him up. My only critique is take off the squid off of your name. Take off the squid off of your name. Just leave Maximus alone, my fam. Left Maximus alone, bro. That is good enough. There's nobody. I don't think there's no artist in the UK with Maximus. Just keep that, bro. Keep that. Keep that. That is good enough. You see me? So yeah, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Young artists, keep reaching out, man. Keep reaching out. This is what we do to your song. We push fire upon it over here. So bad song, me not bias. And for everybody who reach out to me, if them song not good, me I go tell them just like now, me I talk now, me I go tell you now. This song good. This song is good. Good song. Especially the Jamaican vibes about it. Great song, my fam. Great song. I love it. You just need to get more exposure, dog. More exposure. But with time and consistency, that will come, my fam. That will come. Yeah, you see me? Big up Link Up TV for the strength. We give you the strength also. You see me? So yeah. Guys, this is where I'm going to end the one. Yeah? If you enjoyed that song, yeah, remember the link in the description below. Click on it. Go into the comment section. Tell them say JAMAICA'S. Send you over there. You don't know the thing goes. So guys, big up yourself and I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Peace.